Hi kids! Today's story is about a little girl and her scared goat. The little girl's sweet trick for the goat. Every morning, a little girl took her goats to the forest to eat grass. On the way, there was a small rocky bridge. All the goats crossed it easily, except one. One little goat was always afraid. Every day, the girl carried the little goat and crossed the bridge. She wanted the goat to learn, but he never tried. One sunny morning, the girl had an idea. She picked some fresh, sweet grass and held it in her hand. She started walking slowly on the bridge. She shook the grass gently and called, "Come on, little goat. Look, yummy grass." The little goat saw the grass and followed her, step by step. He forgot his fear and walks forward to eat the grass. Slowly, carefully, step by step, the little goat crossed the bridge all by himself. When they reached the other side, the goat ate the sweet grass happily. From that day, the little goat was not afraid anymore. He crossed the bridge happily with his friends every morning, while the girl smiled with joy. Moral: bravery begins with one small step. Believe in yourself. The little goat learned to be brave. If you take small steps, you can do anything, just like the little goat. Did you like the story, kids? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Simple Quack for more fun stories. Want to see more stories? Check the link in the description below. Thank you, and bye-bye!